Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, we're just gonna be decorating my Nintendo Switch. This is what it currently looks like. And we're gonna be adding a new case and a few minor accessories because I've had this for a while and I'll show you guys up close, but it's kind of hard to use it because of the case, and I don't know, I'll show you guys, but I'm going to be adding a little bit of a touch up to this. And yeah, because I've had this case ever since I got it, so I just want to, you know, make it look a little better in my opinion and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing, and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is my Switch, and yeah, this is what it looks like currently. There's a lot of tape and stuff because the case didn't really fit well, and there's a lot of tape because it started like coming apart like that, so I would use tape to hold it together. But yeah, let's start off by taking everything that I have so far on it off. So I have this, take that off. It's a thumb grip, and I'm just using scissors to cut the tape that I've put on there. Oh, it's coming off. Okay, so this is my Switch. My Switch is originally blue, as you can see. This is just the skin that I got from Amazon. I got it like last year, I think. Well, that's a broken piece. I know it's from Amazon, but I don't know like if I can find the link. If I can, I will link it in the description. If not, sorry about that. And yeah, this case I also got from Amazon. There are a lot of these on there. I can link it if you guys want. It's just a hard clear case. ASMR, I don't know. Anyway, this is my package from Amazon. These are the things I ordered. Let's open it together. First, I have the case. You've probably seen these before. Then it came with some screen protectors, 2 pieces. I got an SD card. This came separately, but yeah, it's like a separate purchase. And these are thumb grips. Oh, and by the way, I got these thumb grips plus the screen protector plus the case all for $12.99. So all this for $12.99. I will definitely link that in the description. And I just got this because I'm running out of space, so it's like might as well just buy everything for my Switch at the same time. I had a second one of this and I don't know where I put it. I should have just put it in my case, the second one, because this was kind of hard to move around with the clear case. Like it was bumping against it, so it was really hard to move the joystick, so I just removed it and I tried to keep it somewhere and I could not find it after a while, so that's great. And with the clear case, it was also hard to push some buttons, which is why I decided to just take it off because it was getting really annoying, especially with my nails. They're kind of long, some of them. They just break so easily, but the ones that are long, it was hard for me to press buttons with the clear case. So this is the case that I got. ASMR? I don't know. And it's just a clear jelly sparkly case, and I don't know, I just think it's so cute. So let's put this in there. Bro, just this corner. in there. Okay, so this is just kind of how it fits after I've struggled to put it on. The back looks fine. It covers that. Oof, is that where I'm supposed to put my SD card? Oh no, I have to take it off again. Okay, and I'm going to put my SD card that I bought in here. So let's go ahead and do that because the case does cover that slot. So this is what I got. This is 64 gigabytes and it was like $7 from Amazon as well. So let's get this open. Well, it fell, but yeah, that's okay. Guess could just do that. Well, there's a lot of packaging. They always pack these things so tightly. Okay, so this is the SD card. It says 64 gigabytes on there, and this is just like a big reader, so you can put the SD card in there and you can put it in a device that reads bigger ones like a laptop. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in here. I'm gonna turn the screen on so I see if it says anything to me. Okay, I think it's like this. I don't know. No, it's not like that. Do it the other way, like this. More struggle. Today just been struggle up and struggle. All right, so I'm gonna push that in all the way like that. And it says the system update, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'm gonna update it. That took not long at all. It literally took like 30 seconds because the update had already downloaded. I just needed to install it and it was really fast. So yeah, let's just double check that it recognizes it. And look, there we go. But I don't know why it's not saying 64. I don't know what's in there, but I mean, that's fine by me, honestly. It's probably stuff that comes with the thingy. I don't really care. 58 gigabytes is a lot of space for me, so yeah. Next, we're just gonna put on some of my thumb grips. Should I use pink? Pink and blue? Or just pink and pink? These are a little hard to put on. Okay, the first one's on. And that one's not on all the way. Still not on. Okay, these are both on, and I think they look so cute. This is what my old one looked like. These, this one specifically, it was this one and the same exact matching one, and it's $3 on Amazon. I could link that if you guys would like that. Yeah. So, okay, feels good. Lastly, we're we're gonna put on my screen protector. Okay, I really hope these fit. Let's open them. Oh, it has like all the cleaning stuff. Has wipes and whatnot. Oh, this is the bubble thing. I never know how to use that. Oh, this is for dust, not for the bubbles. More wipes. And it comes with 2 cases. Sorry, not cases, 2 screen protectors. I think I got one the first time when I was ordering stuff for my Switch, but I can't remember where I put it. So, all right. I'm gonna use these. There. Okay, so it has guide stickers, but I don't know where to put these. But anywho, this is it. Let's just see first. I don't think this is gonna work because this covers the part where I have my skin. Dang it. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use this. Oh no. That's so sad. I don't know. Let me try and see if it'll stick. Let's try a little bit and see. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. So that is unfortunate. I can't use the screen protector because of I have my, well, that sucks. Can't use that. So I guess this is the end of my quick and very minimal Switch makeover. These are the final results. I really like the sparkles at the back. This is how it looks on the holes. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video of me just doing a little bit of decorating to my Switch. I know it wasn't much. I know it wasn't a major makeover, but you know, it's something. And I really hope you guys like the end product and like this video. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like this video or share this video. I appreciate you guys. I'll be posting next week as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.